Hey guys, it's Tigalif here from Tech by Tigalif, and today I'm going to explain HTML, including what is HTML and what are the uses of HTML, and I will also show you a basic tutorial of HTML coding. So without further ado, let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. The full form of HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is the standard markup language for creating web applications and web pages. Nowadays, most of the websites and web pages are made from this language. As an example, suppose I am from Spain, Mexico, or Argentina, and I speak Espanol, which means Spanish, and I meet a person from Russia, but I can't speak or understand Russian language, and the Russian person can't understand Espanol, and he can't also speak Espanol. So we must use English to talk to each other, because I can't understand Russian and the person can't understand Espanol. Just like this, our browsers can't understand our language. Our web browsers can understand only markup languages like HTML, JavaScript, etc. You can see the versions of HTML. The first version of HTML was called HTML, and it came in year 1991. XHTML came in year 2000. HTML5 came in year 2012. HTML5 is the most popular version of HTML in the current world. Most of the websites and web pages are made from this version of HTML. And our basic tutorial will be showing on this version. So let's go to our basic tutorial. I will try to make more videos on HTML. So guys, this is our basic tutorial of HTML coding. We are going to do everything on Android. To start HTML coding on Android, you need an app called NWriter, free HTML editor. You can install it from Google Play Store. It is available on Google Play Store. After installing it, you have to open it when you want to create HTML documents. A new window will be opened. On the top of the web page, you have to put HTML tag. It means you are going to start coding with HTML. In the next line, put a head tag. It means the starting of the header of the web page. Then put a title tag. Now put the title of the web page. As an example, I am putting our web page as the title of the web page. Now close the title tag. To close any tag, you have to put this sign. Then you have to put a /, and the tag will be closed automatically if you use this app. But if you use any other app, you have to put the full closing tag. Now close the head tag. This will be the header of the web page, and this will be the title of the web page. In the next line, put a body tag. Body tag indicates the starting of the main part of the web page. Then put everything you want to add in the web page. As an example, I am putting an explanation of HTML. Okay, HTML means hypertext markup language. It is used to create websites, web pages, and web applications. At the end of the main part, close the body tag. And at the end of the document, you have to close the HTML tag. It means the end of the HTML coding. Now save it. Give it a name. Okay, I am giving web page as the name of the document. I am saving it here in the HTML folder in my internal storage. Now let's see what we have created. Let's open it with HTML viewer. You can see the title on the top, and you can also see the main part, which was body part, in the document. So everything is perfect. This was a basic tutorial of HTML coding. You can try this at the first stage. So guys, if you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more tech and scientific videos like this. Like, comment and subscribe. Don't follow others. Be the one people follow. Thanks for watching and goodbye.